In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot missing emails in Hostinger if messages you expect aren't arriving. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account and opening the email section in your control panel. Head into the mailbox or domain you're working with so you can see its settings. Before diving into anything advanced, confirm that the email address itself is active. It should show as created and enabled, and the domain it belongs to should be connected and working. If something looks disabled or incomplete, correct that first. Next, take a moment to look at your MX records, which are the DNS entries that tell the internet where to deliver your incoming mail. In Hostinger, you can view them in the DNS or email configuration area. Make sure the records point to the mail server specified by Hostinger for your plan, and that the priority values look correct. If you recently edited DNS, give it some time to propagate before testing again. While DNS is settling, check your spam or junk folder in webmail and in any email apps you use. Sometimes legitimate messages land there. If you find something, mark it as not spam so future messages from that sender are delivered to the inbox. Storage limits can also block new messages, so confirm that your mailbox quota isn't full. If you're near the limit, delete or archive old mail, empty the trash and spam folders, and consider removing large attachments to free up space. Now send a test email to this mailbox from a different address, ideally from a separate service. Note whether the test arrives. If it does, but messages from certain senders do not, the issue may be related to filtering or the sender's side. With that in mind, review any filters, forwarding rules, and blocked addresses in your Hostinger email settings. A filter may be moving messages to a folder silently. A forward might be sending mail elsewhere, or a blocked list could be rejecting a sender. Adjust or remove anything that could prevent delivery. After you make a change, test again with another message. Work through one fix at a time so you can see what solved the problem. By verifying the mailbox status, checking MX records, scanning junk, clearing space, testing delivery, and reviewing rules, you'll pinpoint what's wrong and restore your inbox to normal. Don't forget to refresh your mailbox and allow a few minutes between tests, especially after DNS or rule changes, so you're seeing up-to-date results.